Welcome to St. Michael's Academy Bethia's e-learning class of English class 4. Today we will going to do the question answer of chapter 3. Answer these questions. Question number 1. How did Teeny spend her time in the Mishmi Hills? Answer. Teeny spent her childhood days in the Mishmi Hills. She used to climb trees, run through the jungle, and spend long days lying under the sun. Question number 2. Why was Teeny unhappy in rowing? Answer. There was no mountain in rowing. Teeny could not hear the wonderful call from the distant mountains. She missed the sound and wanted to return to the mountains again. So she was sad in rowing. Question number 3. What did Teeny do immediately after finishing school? Why? Answer. Teeny applied to be a porter for army expeditions in the mountains. This would help her return to the mountains she missed. Question number 4. Why did Teeny meet Dr. Methi? How did he help her? Answer. Teeny met Dr. Methi on one of her expeditions as a coordinator. Dr. Methi recognized Teeny's talent and helped her to train as a mountain climber. Why did Teeny go to the Everest base camp in Nepal? What did she do there? Answer. Teeny dreamt of climbing Mount Everest. She went to the Everest base camp to get used to the harsh weather before she actually began climbing the mountain. Question number 6. The stormy wind blew their tent and supplies away. A. When and where did this happen? What did they do immediately after that? Answer. The storm blew Teeny and the Chering's tent and supplies away when they were just about to take rest in the final camp. They had to borrow a tent where they spent the night. B. How did the strong wind affect their journey? Answer. When Teeny and Chering started climbing the mountain the next day, the wind kept growing stronger. The wind was so strong that the walking ahead became very difficult and climbing the mountain seemed to have become almost impossible. For every 2 steps they took, they reeled back 1 step. Finally, at 10:45 a.m. on May 9, 2011, Teeny's efforts were rewarded. A. What did Teeny achieve? Did Teeny deserve it? Answer. Teeny became the first woman from Northeast India to climb Mount Everest. Yes, she deserved it. 7b. Could Teeny have managed to achieve her dream on her own? Who else helped her? Teeny was a gifted mountain climber. Had she not met Dr. Methi, however, she would possibly never have received training to become skilled at mountain climbing. Chering Sarappa, whose a companion helped her to the top of the Mount Everest, also supported her and helped her to brave the weather condition and continue to climb to the top. Now we will do the book work of this chapter. Section A. Complete the sentences with the correct preposition from the box. In the box, the prepositions have been given. We have to write the correct preposition. We travel from Mumbai to Jammu every summer to visit our grandparents. The duck dived the water looking for food into will be the correct preposition there. So all have been done for you. B. Join these parts to form a meaningful sentences. So there is 3 column there. You have to join it with their correct answers. For example, number 1, he began the job late, yet he completed it on time. Likewise, all have been given there. Words in use. The words you need to use in the sentences are all from the text. Use the hints in the brackets and try to complete the words without looking at the text. Each blank state stands for a missing letter. You can see in the example, the school dash did not allow the bursting of the firecrackers during the annual program. So did not allow, we use their banned it. Section B. Read the sentences and try to guess the meaning of the phrase. First, I turned the bottle upside down to get the last drop out. So the answer of this phrase is turn the bottle so that the top was at the bottom and the bottom was at the top. Likewise, all have been done for you. Now it's time for the word meaning. What you have to do, you have to write down all the words meaning in your notebook and write it neatly and learn it. Now it's time for your homework. What you have to do, you have to write down all the question answer, word meaning in your copy and learn it. And you have to write down the book work in your book and learn it. I hope you understood the question answer and the book work of this chapter. Thank you.